Hello guys, just a quick tutorial on how to install your coils in your Knotless Braids. So what I'll be doing here is inserting my coils. If you hear me say the top of your coils, that means the part without the weft, and when you hear the end, that's the other side of your coil. So you want to section your hair into 3 parts. Take a strand of your coil, put the top in between your 2 fingers and extend the end towards the root of your braids. And after which, you take in your regular straight extensions. You also insert this in between your 2 fingers like you did with the curls and braid this in. This time around, you're not separating any parts, you're just braiding it into your hair. So now you want to do this 3 different times until you get the size you're looking for. And once you are able to do this, you can decide to turn your fingers and braid forward. Now, depending on how many strands of curls you want to put into your knotless braids, this will help you know when you need to insert or feed in your curls. In this case, I did braid about 3 to 4 times before installing the next curl, which would be another technique to installing your curls. In this case, I will be feeding in the curls like I'm braiding regularly or I'm feeding in a regular straight hair. The only difference is instead of braiding it completely, I will braid 2 to 3 times and then separate my curls from the straight hair or from the braid and continue to braid forward. Now I'm going to insert another curls. This time I'll be using the very first technique I used, which is to put in the curls in between my 2 fingers and then separate the end, putting this towards the root of my hair, and after which I would continue to braid. One thing you need to know though at this stage is that your grip on your curls and the braid needs to be sturdy because we don't want the curls falling out. Now, just a quick question for you also. How many curls do you get to insert on a strand of braid when you do make braids? Is this 5? Is this 6? I even hear some people get to put about 12 or 16. Interesting. Guess depending on the length of the braid. Anyways, thank you so much guys for staying tuned to watch this. And if there's anything or any part in the video that you do not get clearly and you would like me to make a video of, please leave this in the comment section. And do not forget to like this video, do leave a comment, anything you would like to know about, and also subscribe so you know when the next video drops. Thank you guys and see you next time. Bye.